Alright, y'all, before I start this video, I just want to let y'all know this video is like a couple old vlogs I haven't had time to put together, but I put it all together, one chopped up in little tiny different little pieces. But I'm here to let y'all know, expect 3 to 4 vlogs a week, bangers only, because I'm fully energized for y'all. I'm fully back here, full-fledged, full speed ahead. Now let's get this video started. Is back in the goddamn building, man. I'm back here chilling. My car is still legal. I'm legal though. I'm legal. I'm cool. But my car is still legal. I have still yet to go actually take off everything. So I don't know what I'm about to do actually with the car. So yeah, man. But as you see right now, I'm in the goddamn TRX, man. I am in, I think it's like 800 and something horsepower. Yeah, I'm in the 800 horsepower plus, I'm gonna say. TRX, man, I am in that because I haven't been in here in like I've been here so long. And there are bike cops like a motherfucker over here. God damn. Well, it'll be crazy if I was to get pulled over in this TRX. And hey, bike cops are really fat as fuck, man. And I had PTSD with bike cops because those are mainly the only two I've ever got pulled over by. Bike cops. God damn. This traffic is fucking bad. God damn. Yeah, man. Go comment your favorite car. I'm sorry. I'm trying to drive and not crash because I ain't trying to do that, man. But yeah, update on my car. Today is Sunday, so tomorrow I'm going to the DMV to get my registration all situated. So apparently I have to pay $1,200 and some change for my registration. For anyone that has a state where like it's not really like deemed to be like state rep, pretty much what being state rep means is pretty much you have to completely put your car like back to like dealership stock, like completely stock. Like you gotta like, cause especially out here in California, cops like the CHP is the emission place is horrible. So you gotta, so literally what I have to do since I'm state rep, I have to completely put my car back to 100% stock. So everything like motor wise, tune wise, ECU, cold air intake, down pipes, I had to put everything, shit, lowering springs, I got a tint. I literally had to put the car back to factory in order for my car to pass the state rep certification. So what I'm thinking is doing, because I'm like, shit, once I go through all the hassle of putting my car back to completely stock, it's like I don't want to drive the car anymore, because like I ain't got no tint, obviously I still have the wrap in my steering wheel, all that, but it's like I don't have my tint, my car isn't lowered, I'm not tuned no more, I'm not any of that. So it's like, it's probably a sign to just, because if you don't know, the day I picked up my car, the dealer actually wanted to buy it from me, because right now for my model year Civic, my model, goddamn bitch, you not look before you fucking get over it, motherfucker. I'm sorry, y'all. Anyways, yeah, so I lost train of thought because damn fucking old ass Honda. There's a Zeal 1. Wait, is that? I didn't know they had a convertible Zeal 1. There's a convertible Zeal 1 right behind me, white. with the red seatbelts. Oh man, that thing look good. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, that Z01 look good. Hold on. I've never seen a convertible Z01. Watch, I'm hoping he gets over. Oh, that shit look good. That's legit. Z01 cover. I'm sorry, I've just never seen one a day in my life before. That's low-key hard.
346 minutes later.
All right, y'all, look, so it's I know I look completely different, man. I look good. Hey, man, I look good. But today is my birthday. Today is August 7th. I am officially 22 years old, man. I'm no longer 21. I'm 22 years old, man. But before my day been started. It's about 8:30 right now, but I've been up since about like 5, 6 in the morning right now. But before I do anything on my birthday, in order for me to like, my car is still illegal technically, but I'm on the road. Like every video I've been making progress on making my car legal again. So the only last things I have to do, put my exhaust back to stock and put my cold air intake stock one back in. So yeah, man, yesterday was a drag strip. That was a fail. I forgot about the pants. But today, as you see, I have my mufflers right here, and I have my stock resonator right there. So I got that and the mufflers. All right, y'all, just got here at the shop. As you see, they're barely opening. That's how early I am today. They have a RT Durango most likely on the lift already. I ain't gonna lie, I was driving, almost died because this muffler smacked me in the head. And when I say, boy, I almost crashed, because I was in the middle of turning and the muffler just came and like, bow, hit my ass in the head. But stay for COVID, man. There's a lot of people that not taking COVID seriously. I'm not taking the vaccine, but there's a lot of people that is not taking the vaccine for COVID seriously. Woo. A little RT action. It sound cool. Let me back my ass up though. That low-key sound good for a little RT though. I ain't gonna V8 yet, but I'm telling you, man, when I get my V8, boy, I'm not doing nothing normal. I'm going straight from a Honda to a big boy V8, man. And you know my options already. You know my options.
12 seconds later.
Y'all, so I just finished. I'm driving my car, right? I don't know what to say. It sounds like a complete Prius right now. The only thing you hear is the turbo. I ain't gonna lie, you hear that turbo. You hear that turbo loud than ever. Like, this is probably the loudest I've ever heard my turbo. It's cold as hell. It's hot as hell in there. But yeah, man, I've never like. This is wow. This is funny as fuck. Like my car is watch. I'm gonna rev my car. Watch. What's y'all, man? You don't hear nothing. Watch. You hear the turbo though, but you don't hear nothing at all, bro. This is, man. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, like ever since I took off my obviously the tint and all that. I just don't care about how this car, like, I don't care about the car no more. Man.
346 minutes later.
All right, y'all, before this next clip gets started, I just want to give a viewer discretion is advised for my choice of words, because I was terrified as hell.
So I didn't want to get in the front.
Oh my fucking God, bro. Don't do too much, please.
Jazz almost crashed, did she?
Yeah, man. She did good on the donuts, man.
She did great.
Oh my God.
That's my wife, y'all.
Oh my God. Hold on. Wait.
Yo, let's go.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh
Come on,
shit.
Sway.
Hold on. Oh shit. Hold on. God damn. Oh shit.
Sway, you be alright, man. Just wait for this right here, bro. Oh, you're on the tilted side, Sway.
Oh shit. Oh, what the. Oh my God.
Sway.
Look at this motherfucker.
Ready,
Goddamn. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Here we go, Sway.
Oh shit. Calm down. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. God damn. Oh shit. God damn. Oh shit. God damn, man. What?
Just cuz.
I'm jumping out. I'm jumping out.
So I want to walk back.
Oh shit! Oh my god! I'm done. I'm done.
That's right.
I'm done. I'm not doing it no more. I'm done.
You ain't got no choice. You already in the car.
I'm jumping out. Okay, we're
You
done.
ain't got no choice, brother.
I'm sweating.
You already in the
I'm
Lock the
sweating.
doors, bro. Put the child lock on. Put the child lock on.
It's a car coming.
It's in your car.
It's right there.
All you gotta do, buddy.
Oh my god! No, I can't hold my phone. Oh shit!
No, brother.
My hands are sweating.
Hands sweating.
Oh my.
Oh, here we go, bro.
Oh shit! Oh my god! What are you doing? Hey man! Oh shit! Too high, bro.
Ain't no such thing, brother.
Oh, here we go, baby.
Too high. Oh my gosh! Too fucking high.
Too high?
Oh. Hold on.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope attached, like whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's like go. Got me all in the playlist because she fuck with me the most, like that. Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope attached, like whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's how it go. Got me all in the playlist because she fuck with me the most, like damn.
Buzz it. I just put a fangirl, flew her out for Russia. I spent 3K, what the fucking budget? Chrome hard G's, 10K, can't touch it. Shake the hips that don't lie like Shakira. I'm so damn high in the coupe, I'm keto. I don't drink tea, there's only drink expensive liquor. Fucking on your bitch in my green pie slipper. She go, oh my god, you're underrated. She got itty bitty titties, I bust them on her quickly. I bought that bitch Versace garments just because of pity. If she is a Fashion Nova bitch, she cannot be with me. I pull her with a 5-5, pocket rocket pop, aim it at your top, while she give me top. My brother's on top, your brothers just fall off. I just make her jaw lock like she's just an M-Rock. Hey, yeah, I'm the greatest. Every single time I drop your bitch, I meet a playlist. And I know her boyfriend get mad when she play this. And he always complain when she say I'm her favorite.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope attached, like whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's how it go. Got me all in the playlist because she fuck with me the most, like that. Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope attached, like whoa. I ain't fucking with these hoes, I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because you know it's how it go. Got me all in the playlist because she fuck with me the most.
He's about to pass. Watch. Talking about fucking race car. Oh, wow. Damn, you talking about actual race car. That is a race car. God damn.
It ain't that bad.
That hurt my ear. My ears hurt. My ears hurt. They actually do sound like it is actually a race car.
Boys wear ear things.
Yeah.
So I'm like, no wonder I thought it was losing control. I'm like, let me get out of the way.
Yeah, yesterday I should have brought my goggles, and today I should have brought my earmuffs. I'm back.
The Pit Boys wear. I'm always wondering how could they wear those things.
Yeah.
You kind of have to.
That's loud.
Hello, neighbor. So here's the wheelie bar. It connects right to there. As you see, the connection points right there. On that side, the springs are the blue things. They're super small, but it's for the back tires. drive shaft. Can't really see the drive shaft, but drive shaft is right there.
All the way down there.
Yeah, I'm trying to go figure out what the hell I'm looking at, but yeah, the drive shaft is right there. It connects right there. It's crazy. The headers, you probably can't see them, but the headers is right there. Stops right in front of the car. Oh, good, Mickey Thompson's in the back. And drag pack wheels. The wheels he's running is drag pack wheels.
I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no baby. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave.